Well, Bitcoin is, people's money. I say gold and silver are God's money because God put it here. But Bitcoin is people's money. That's the blockchain technology. And blockchain technology is basically a ledger, a financial statement. I like Bitcoin because Bitcoin gets stronger, dollar gets weaker.
This is a correlation.
Yeah. So I own I think 60 Bitcoin or something, not much, but I was buying it at 6,000.
Wow.
I think Aussie will probably come up with his own central bank digital.
Yeah.
And I'm afraid I don't have any proof of this, but they'll use central bank money to surveil you. That's what China does. So that's why I own tons of silver coins. So if push comes to a shove, I'll come pay you in silver.
The actual physical silver coin.
No financial education in America. Look at this guy Bernanke, he's the Fed chairman. When it crashed, he dropped interest rates to zero and printed trillions. So today, America's in this huge bubble. It's cash sitting everywhere. And the stock market's in a bubble, real estate's in a bubble, and all this. How much longer can it go? Today, America's the #1 debtor nation in the world. Every 90 days, they're printing another $1 trillion to cover the shortfall.
And they're issuing it as debt.
Yeah, they're printing more money because our taxes don't cover our expenses. They're printing $1 trillion every 90 days.
Wow.
And there's still no financial education. It is very simply something that puts money in your pocket. So think about this. So when people, they make some money to buy a house, but if they stop working, that house starts taking money from their pocket. So it's not an asset. You buy a nice car, the car keeps taking money from your pocket. So it's a liability. You have 3 kids, they're definitely liabilities. So I write a book and I get paid probably several $100,000 a month from my Rich Dad, Poor Dad. My book is an asset. If I buy a car and I lease it to an Uber driver, it could be an asset. It depends on the cash flow.
Yeah.
So it all depends on the financial statement, income, expense, all that stuff. I like real estate is I kind of have to do it on my own. I'm not buying there's a thing called REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust.
Right.
So you can invest in real estate via paper, which is REITs. You can invest in gold via GLD,
right.
An ETF, or an SLV, which is silver. I don't touch any of that stuff. I own my own gold mines. I own my own silver mines. I took one of my gold mines public last summer, 2022, on the New York Stock Exchange. It's the richest gold mine in America.